The first platform on the list is known as Saga Pool, with the URL of sagapool.com. As you can see, Saga Pool is an African survey that helps you make money online from anywhere or at home just by answering free questions. This platform is also available on mobile app and it's only available on the Google Play Store, as you can see here. So when you go to the app website using Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, you'll be able to download this app directly just by clicking on the download now. You download this app directly to your mobile device and you will make surveys and you earn points, which this point can be converted to cash. It says Saga Pool connects you with a wide range of companies and organizations that are active across the African continent and looking for your views and opinions. By participating in these surveys, you help them to develop new products and services or to improve existing one. Just like I told you, it's available on the Google Play. You create your account. To create your account, it is very free to create your account. You fill in your profile in order to receive surveys, answer surveys, and earn points. You can also share a referral code with friends, and both of you will earn extra points. You can redeem your points and make money from home. Now, filling your profile is very important because it is through your profile that will guide them and help them know the surveys that will be available for you. And if you scroll down on this platform, you can see a lot of member surveys that are here. This is Pepin. Continue scrolling, you see a lot of testimonials that's available on this platform from different people. The name of this platform is known as Saga Pool, so you can decide to know more about it just by scrolling down. When you scroll down, you get to see a lot of stuff about the platform that is known as Saga Pool. So you just have to scroll down. As you can see, it says Saga Pool is available only in Africa. It helps to share your opinions on different topics. You must be based in Africa, and by downloading the application and registering for free member, you'll be able to receive gigs and surveys works that are available for you and your registered. You see survey notifications and have instant access to them. You access available surveys anytime, anywhere, and this is one of the greater joy, the ability for this platform to offer you flexibility. You share your opinions and be rewarded for your participation, and you can also exchange your points for money. So this is an African-based platform, a platform or survey platform. You can join the referral programs. You invite your friends. For how many friends you refer on this platform, you'll be able to have extra points. If you want to know more about them, you can go to the FAQ, which is the frequently asked questions, so I can go to know what is Saga Pool, what to do in order for you to receive surveys, how often you will receive surveys, and how long does it take to redeem the point, and so much more. You can also go to their blog to read more about the platform that is known as Saga Pool. So that is the first one known as Saga Pool. Try it out, drop in your comment in the comment section so I will know how you go about it. And let's all move on now to the second one on the list. Alright, so the second platform on the list is known as Afro Barometer.org. Afrobarometer.org. It says Afro Barometer is a pan-African research network. So as you can see, you can see some of the research that has been done on this platform. You can also check here to see how many countries have surveys have been done on this platform. You can see they have 36 national partners, 39 countries surveys, 336,000 interviews, and 75% of Africans have been covered on this platform. So this is a research platform where you'll be able to participate and make research. And how can you come in to this platform? You have to click on to these three slashes, as you can see here, and when you click on, you scroll down, you see here surveys. So when you click on the surveys, you see the surveys that are fit for you. So what you just have to do is to fill in your details. You sign up on the platform, and you continue with the surveys that will be assigned to you. So that is it for this platform that is known as Afro Barometer. It's a Pan-African research platform, and all what you just have to do is for you to come and help them in the research, and they will pay you in turn for every surveys or for every research feedback you give to them on this platform. So that is it, known as Afro Barometer. Let's head on to the third on the list. The third platform on the list is known as 𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐼𝐸. So 𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐼𝐸 is a platform that helps you take part in their paid surveys and you earn rewards. It says make your voice heard and influence the decisions that affect your daily life by taking part in our online surveys. So what you just have to do is to click on join now, and you'll be able to sign up on this platform, and you will start making money whenever you make a surveys. So to get started on this platform is just done in 3 easy steps. Number 1 is you join us, you register on Afro site, and you confirm your email address. Number 2 is that you take surveys. They will regularly email you surveys invite. The surveys are quick and easy to answer, so make sure the email you'll be giving to them is a working email that is currently in use. So the third way is that you earn rewards and get paid. When you complete a survey, you earn points which can be redeemed as cash, data, airtime, or shopping voucher. So you can check out our brand new platform. You can say this is a beta version of their platform. So you can also check out their better platform, their new platform, and you also complete tax on also on that new platform, and you also make money. Now, which institution will you be giving out their surveys? We'll give you surveys on products and brand, markets and company, health and wellness, people, politics, governance, and a lot more. You can check it. There are a lot of testimonials about this platform. Say, as a student, Africa came as a blessing and earn extra money, which allow me to buy airtime, data, and take my girlfriend out here. This is additional from Nigeria. So you can also check out the platform, and you can click on about us, which when you scroll down to the ending of the website, you'll get to know more about them. So far we have mentioned about sagapool.com, we have mentioned about afrobarometer.org, we have also mentioned afrisite.com. So make sure you click on the red subscribe button as we move on now to the last platform on the list. Alright, so this is the last platform on the list, known as Opinion.Africa. Opinion.Africa is a platform that gets you paid to complete surveys and micro tax. So join the opinion space and start earning money by sharing your thoughts and opinions in paid surveys. Connect with businesses who are looking for feedback and get rewarded for your feedback. So what you just have to do is to click on get started. When you click on get started, you fill in your details that you're supposed to fill. Every details they ask you to fill, make sure you fill them correctly, and you sign up on this platform and you complete surveys and micro tax, and you also start making money. So opinion space connects you with businesses that help you pay to submit anonymous responses to their surveys. Or what you just have to do is to sign up for free, you participate in surveys, and you will get paid. So why join Opinion Space? As a member, you get several opportunities to participate in different exciting projects, surveys, group discussion, micro taxing, AI training, product tests, content review, and lots more. So there are a lot of rewards of you joining this platform and freebies, as you can see here on the screen. So you can also influence directly or indirectly. You'll be also be given the opportunity for you to influence platforms or products that will be able to come into the country or your continent, which is Africa. So for you to get started on this platform, you just give in your first name, your last name, your email, your date of birth, your gender, password, and you confirm your password, and you click on get started, and you get paid to take surveys anytime, anywhere. So this is the 4 top paying surveys platform in Africa currently 2024. Number 1 is Saga Pool, number 2 is Afro Barometer, the number 3 is Afrisite, and the number 4 is known as Opinion Space. If you love this content, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you will get updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.